Hello everyone. Just got my new I don't want my tool, my stuff I can do, and it's a disc cleaner, JFJ Easy Pro. I just took it out of the box, and it comes with lots of stuff. But here's the disc that I'm gonna do the first one here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's a Planet of the Apes. Look, it was that old. So basically, you take that and you put that side flat down like there, just like that, and you put that in there like that. And if I can get that right, there we go. There, there it is. So I'm gonna pause it, and I'll be right back. This is part two, and I'm putting the pad on here. See, I got the disc over there, and I got this little pad. It's a sanding. It's like a buffing pad. It's called a buffing pad, and you take that piece right there, and right there, and it's got like a Velcro fit on it. So let me try it. Yeah, there it is, just like that. And this could be buffing that. All right, bye. It's me again, and I'm putting the what do you call it? The solution, the polishing compound onto right there. There's a step right there. And it's a first use, so I gotta put it all around here. All right, I'm gonna be right back with that and try it out. It's me again. All right, I took that compound there, that buffing compound, and put it on the pad there, just to show you that. All right, back to the instructions. Okay, I'm on the next step because I got that there. I'm following the direction. This is the first thing. This is the first time I've done this. So now I'm over here on G. So I'm gonna close the lid. I'm gonna close the lid, and it says it's got a snap. See? Yeah, just like that. All right. Okay. Okay. Push the desired time. Well, I gotta turn it on. I forgot to turn the damn thing on. Okay, there it is. Okay. Now you can push the button for desired time, which in most cases is for 1 or 2 minutes. All right. I'm gonna start up. I'll come back. All right. Let me put one. It said 1 minute. All right. All right. And there it goes. All right. And there it is. It's running it out. I'll come back after a minute. Bye. All right. A minute just ended, and I figured you didn't want to sit and listen to. Well, I got you two on, so I'd shut up. And so I just finished it, and there it is right there. I haven't done nothing to it. I just opened it. Wow. I might have to do it again, but that's what it looks like now. All right. You'll see. It's the first time I gotta wipe it. All right. All right. This is my new. It's called a JFJ Easy Pro Disc Cleaner. And this is the shit. This is the shit. If you got some crappy CDs, DVDs, Blu-ray, games, Xbox stuff, I can do it now. See that? Look at it. It's beautiful. All right, thank you. All right, I just finished that pass with here. And it says if you want to, after I did 6, so I'm going to go on to 7 here. And it tells me to put that on that and put this other crap on it. All right, there's no need to watch me do that, so here we go. Bye. It's me. I put the yellow pad on there, see? And I've taken that and put that on there. And I didn't take any of that stuff off here. I left it on there. That's what it said there, see? The dumbass, leave it there. Don't make the shit off. So it says, put the blue shit on it and press the timer for 1 minute. All right, I'm gonna close the door. Here we go. There we go. And I'm gonna press it for 1 minute, just like that. All right, no sense of sitting here waiting for me. I'll see you later. It's me. I'm back. Okay, minute's come and gone, so I'm gonna kind of loosen it because it's got a tight fit. And it's done there. And there's that. And here, this is here, and that's what it looks like now. You can't tell. I gotta buff it up. I'll finish it up in a second. Bye. All right, there it is. It's off. I've had it, and I took that, that cloth there, and this is the other side of that thing. Ooh, my la, ooh la la. Ooh, can you see that? Oh, there you are. That's a beauty thing. Wow. All right, I did another cycle of it, and there were some marks on it for the first one, but now there are no. I've read about these things sometimes leaving rings around, but it's That's beautiful. That's after two hits on that. All right. Yep. I highly recommend this. It's JFJ Easy Pro.